let's dive into a major leap for the Pi network. The Pi RPC is now fully live and integrated with the Pi smart contract platform. This isn't just another update, it's a foundational shift that unlocks a new era for the network. Imagine a city finally opening its superhighway. Suddenly, everything is faster, more connected, and new destinations are within reach. The Pi RPC acts as the central nervous system for the blockchain, enabling seamless communication and powering a thriving ecosystem of dApps. This isn't a beta or a test, it's a full-scale deployment, ready for global demand. Developers now have a direct, high-speed line to deploy and manage smart contracts, making innovation rapid and reliable. For users, this means faster apps, near-instant transactions, and a more secure environment for digital assets. The infrastructure is now ready for prime time, not just for developers, but for every Pi community member. The groundwork is set. What's built next will redefine what's possible on Pi. This is the start of a new chapter, and it's happening right now. The network is maturing, moving from concept to real-world utility. The Pi RPC ensures developers can build confidently and users can trust the system's reliability. This upgrade is for everyone, developers, users, and the entire Pi community. The digital pavement is laid. The future of Pi is about to accelerate. Welcome to the next era of the Pi network. You keep hearing RPC, but what is it? Simply put, RPC stands for Remote Procedure Call. Think of it as the waiter between your app and the blockchain's kitchen. You place an order, the waiter delivers it and brings back your food. In blockchain, RPC is the messenger that lets apps talk to the network without knowing all the technical details. When you check your Pi balance or send Pi, your app uses an RPC node to fetch and send data. Without a fast RPC, apps lag or fail. So it's the invisible backbone of your experience. Before this upgrade, accessing Pi was like having too few waiters during rush hour, slow and frustrating. The new Pi RPC is like hiring a team of expert waiters, making everything efficient and smooth. For developers, it means fewer bottlenecks and more reliable app performance. For users, it means apps that just work, fast and seamlessly. A powerful RPC is what lets the whole ecosystem thrive. It ensures data flows quickly and securely between users, apps, and the blockchain. This upgrade is the infrastructure that enables everything else to function. For Pi, it means readiness to scale and support millions. You may not see RPC, but you'll feel its impact every time you use Pi. It's the silent engine powering your Pi experience. Here's why this matters. Pairing a robust RPC with Pi smart contracts is a game changer. Smart contracts are self-executing programs on the blockchain. Think digital vending machines that work automatically. They power everything from DeFi to games and digital collectibles. With the new Pi RPC, these contracts can operate instantly and reliably. Before, slow communication meant clunky apps. Now, actions are confirmed in real time. This integration makes Pi a top choice for developers, offering stability and speed. Good infrastructure attracts great developers who build better apps, drawing in more users. For the community, this means a wave of new, exciting dApps, finance, social, gaming, and more. The Pi network is evolving from just a currency to a full platform for decentralized innovation. It's not just about sending Pi, it's about what you can do with it. This is the technical key unlocking Pi's true potential. The future is about building, not just transacting. Get ready for a new era of possibilities on Pi. What's powering this upgrade? A beast of a server built for performance and reliability. The new Pi node isn't just a fast computer, it's engineered for non-stop, high-volume blockchain action. Its high-end processor has many cores, handling thousands of requests at once, no waiting in line. Massive ECC RAM acts as the server's flawless short-term memory, catching and correcting errors automatically. This ensures data integrity, crucial for blockchain accuracy. Storage? Top-tier NVMe SSDs, reading and writing blockchain data at lightning speed. When you request your transaction history, the server delivers in a flash. This hardware combo, powerful CPU, error-correcting RAM, and ultra-fast storage, makes the Pi node a true powerhouse. It's built for endurance, not just speed. Every user and dApp benefits from this robust infrastructure. The server is designed for the future, ready to scale as Pi grows. Reliability and speed are baked in at every level. This is the backbone supporting the next generation of Pi applications. With this server, the Pi network is ready for anything. The foundation for innovation is stronger than ever. So what do these specs mean for you? In a word, speed. Apps load instantly, transactions confirm in seconds, and everything feels seamless. Developers can build dApps as responsive as any centralized app, but with the benefits of decentralization. Reliability is rock solid. ECC RAM ensures data is always accurate, preventing costly errors. The server is built to run 24/7, with redundant power and network connections for non-stop uptime. Scalability is guaranteed. As Pi's user base grows, the infrastructure can handle explosive demand. This isn't just about today, it's an investment in Pi's future. The hardware ensures the network can support millions, now and for years to come. For users, it means a smooth, worry-free experience. For developers, it's a stable platform to innovate. The Pi network is ready to deliver world-class performance. This is the infrastructure that will power Pi's next chapter. In blockchain, there's no closing time. Uptime is non-negotiable. If the RPC node goes down, the whole network grinds to a halt. Apps fail, transactions stop, users lose access. That's why the new PiNode server is built for continuous operation, housed in a pro data center with backup power and multiple internet connections. Even if there's a local outage, the server stays online. This redundancy is the foundation of trust for the Pi community. Developers can build confidently, knowing the infrastructure won't let them down. Users enjoy seamless access, anytime, anywhere. 24/7 uptime means you can check your balance or use dApps whenever you want. This reliability is what makes decentralization real for everyone. The Pi RPC's constant availability is a promise kept. The network is always on, always secure, always ready. With the new RPC live and the server humming, what's next? The V23 upgrade. This major software release will open new lanes for developers and users alike. V23 brings advanced features, better efficiency, and more powerful tools for building on Pi. Think of it as giving builders a new set of creative tools, unlocking more complex, secure, and feature-rich dApps. Expect new DeFi protocols, advanced games, and innovative NFT functionalities. For users, this means a new generation of powerful, useful applications. The pace of innovation is about to accelerate. V23, combined with the new RPC, sets the stage for rapid growth. The future of Pi is unfolding in real time. Stay tuned. The next era of the Pi ecosystem is just beginning. Who should care about these upgrades? Everyone in the Pi network, and beyond. Developers. This is your signal. The infrastructure is ready, the user base is massive, and the tools are powerful. Now's the time to build the next killer dApp for Pi. Pioneers. These upgrades give Pi real-world utility, driving demand and value for the coin. Following these milestones helps you understand the network's true potential. The whole Pi community, and anyone curious about blockchain, should watch closely. The successful launch of this RPC node proves Pi's maturity and commitment to scale. Stay connected for updates, new tools, and opportunities. This is collective building in action. Being informed is the first step to being involved. The launch of the fully integrated Pi RPC marks a new era for the Pi network. The technical foundation is set. Now, vision becomes reality. This upgrade builds confidence, showing the community that Pi is delivering on its promises. Developers are inspired to build, users are empowered to explore, and new members are drawn in. The platform is now faster, more reliable, and more capable than ever. We're about to see an explosion of innovation on the Pi blockchain. Life on Pi will be easier, safer, and more engaging. The Pi network is becoming a central hub for decentralized services, accessible to all. The message is clear. Pi is ready to build, scale, and redefine what's possible. The journey is just beginning. Watch